Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about fractions and the butterfly method. Now, the butterfly method is actually a really cool way of adding and subtracting fractions, and it actually takes a lot of the time out of having to find the least common denominator. The only thing is that you may have to reduce your answer at the very end, depending on what your answer actually is. So let's get right to it. Now, suppose you wanted to find 3/4 minus 2/7. Now, the butterfly method asks you to do this first step, and that is to multiply the denominator. So first, you do 4 times 7, which is going to give you 28. Okay. Now, after that is where there's some cross multiplication involved. So what you do first is you take the top left number, and then you multiply by the bottom right. So 3 times 7 is going to give you 21. And then what you want to do is cross multiply the other way, take the top right and multiply by the bottom left. So 2 times 4, that's going to give you 8. Now, after that is where you want to keep the signs consistent. So in other words, here, because there's a subtraction sign in the middle, you want to carry over the subtraction sign, and then you literally do the operations. So it'd be 21 minus 8, which is going to give you 13. So your final answer here is actually going to be 13 over 28. The only thing you want to keep in mind is, will you need to reduce? And being that 13 is a prime number, you can actually stop right there because it's not reducible. So that's an example as to how the butterfly works. And so I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's fractions and the butterfly method.